Angela and Sherri are incredible women who know the fashion industry inside and out. They created something unique from their experiences with a clear vision and solutions in mind.
My name is Angela Johnson. I'm the co-founder of Fabric, which is the Fashion and Business Resource Innovation Center. We are a fashion incubator here in Tempe, Arizona, and the goal of this place is to provide all of the resources that an apparel entrepreneur would need to start a business, grow the business, and manufacture their product domestically here in the U.S. Sustainably.
I'm Sherri Barry, the co-founder of Fabric Tempe and the owner and founder of The Fashioneer. I think what we've been able to do at Fabric is create something really unique. This is a place where you can come and there is wraparound services for going from idea for a fashion brand to being able to have a scalable company.
We are always evolving. We're always adding more. We're always finding ways to fill the needs that these apparel entrepreneurs have. And right now, one of the cool things that we're working on is creating a sustainable solution to the manufacturing by providing this tech-based printing and cutting in this more automated way that allows for an apparel entrepreneur to make personalized and customized designs. And to us, that is sort of the evolution of the industry as a whole. And we are one of the only places in the US that is offering access to this technology to the apparel entrepreneurs.
It's arguably the most advanced direct-to-fabric, roll-to-roll digital printer in the world. Think of it as combining art and creativity on garments, and this is something that just wasn't possible before. It's total blue sky sort of stuff.
When an apparel entrepreneur comes through here, they have all the resources that they need. We have so many examples of different entrepreneurs who have utilized all of these resources. One of those entrepreneurs is Angela Zadrali of Live Tall. And Angela was in the retail side of the industry, but she had never been in the design development or manufacturing side of the industry.
Live Tall is a clothing line that I designed that is exclusively for tall women. I am 6'1" myself, and it is incredibly difficult to find clothing that truly fits a tall frame. In addition to the consulting, in addition to the education programs and the roadmaps that I have utilized at Fabric, I'm also so excited that I get to take advantage of the digital printing that Fabric and Fashion Source is now offering.
With Fabric and The Fashioneer, Sherri and Angela are pioneering a more accessible fashion industry in Arizona. Their resources provide designers and fashion startups the education and tools they need to succeed in today's market.
The Fashioneer and the Kornit Presto digital direct-to-fabric printer support the growth of Arizona fashion in a really unique way. It provides the opportunity for our designers to produce on demand.
What I am able to do is essentially find the right material and use the printing to make it the color, the print, the pattern that I have imagined. What's so amazing about that is that when you are, for me, a smaller designer, you have limited choices when it comes to fabric because not all fabric mills will sell their clothing at small amounts.
We can also take patterns and engineer custom prints onto them, making a really customized garment. Everybody wants something unique, so you can make a customizable garment. We can print a different print one after another on the Kornit, automatically cut them, push them into sewing, and then send directly to the consumer. That's what on-demand is. In the industry before, if you wanted to do a special print of fabric, again, you had to meet minimums and make tens of thousands of yards, which if that print didn't sell, then you also have the waste of the fabric. With the Kornit, you can print one at a time, and the first print can be different than the second print and the third, and it can be exactly what customers want to order and want to buy now.
They're giving the ability for designers like myself to have a business and to create an industry here in Arizona.
It's only fair to provide resources to everybody, and we have so many resources to offer. And so when somebody comes through and they have a good idea for a sewn product and they want to solve a problem, usually there's an obstacle in their way, and that's meeting large minimums. It's finding somebody who's going to help you if you've never gone to design school or never been a production manager.
My name is Deepak Krishnaraju. I'm a co-founder at Neolite Medical. My team develops medical devices for newborn babies. We ended up developing medical devices that got FDA cleared, and eventually one of the products required apparels and accessories, and we reached out to Fabric to help us design and develop those, as we did not have skill set in-house.
Fabric has been helping apparel entrepreneurs since about 2016. We've helped over 800 apparel entrepreneurs start their businesses and find the resources that they need.
We were surprised by the amount of support that we had in Arizona for tech startups. We did win the Arizona Innovation Challenge by ACA, which helped us a lot to commercialize our startup in Arizona. Now we are able to design all our devices in Arizona and assemble them in the United States.
I describe Arizona as, instead of, the desert, I think it's the oasis for entrepreneurs.
The future is bright, with fashion innovators like Sherri and Angela paving the way for apparel manufacturing throughout Arizona.